I wait for friend. My friend is coming. We will go together. I call my friend. Hello, my friend. See you soon. Bye. I drive bike to work every day. It's fun. I walk in park. The weather is nice. I like walking. I walk in rain. I walk in rain. I wear wristwatch. It tells me the time. I comb hair. I comb my hair every day. I work on computer. I type my work here. It's fun. I am yawning.
Ah!
I am yawning.
Ah!
I am yawning. I open the window. I open the window. The butterflies are coming in.
So beautiful!
I pick flowers. A beautiful red rose and a yellow tulip. Look at my bouquet. I love picking flowers. I sit on sofa. See? I'm sitting right here. This sofa is so comfy. Now you try the sentence.
Son, I'm so glad to see you. I love these hugs. They mean the world. You make me so proud. I love you, son.
I water plants. I water plants. The flowers need water to grow. I water plants.
I am sick.
I am sick.
I need to rest.
I need to rest.
I will take my medicine.
I will take my medicine. Hello, let's learn a new phrase. I sit by the radio. Let's turn it on. Ah, that's better. Now you try. I push cart. I push cart. I push cart down the aisle. I push cart. I buy rice. I buy rice. He buys rice. I buy rice. I buy milk. I put it on the counter. Now into the bag. Time to go. I check list. I check my list. Check means to look and make sure. Yes, I check my list. A list helps you remember. I turn off TV. See, the TV is off now.